properly, I began soldering every intersection of the mesh. This step was carefully done to create strong and durable connections between the wires. Soldered each component onto the board, making sure that every connection was properly attached and secured.